Hi AOS, Chef Zena here. Today we're making another fan favorite. Things that you love from the cafe are homemade macaroni and cheese.
Today's recipe will make 10 3-ounce portions, which is about 1 3/4 pounds. You will need 6 ounces of dried elbow macaroni. I don't have elbow noodles, so I'm using shells. You'll need 1 cup of whole milk, a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 6 ounces of American cheese cubed, a 1/4 teaspoon of granulated garlic, and a 1/4 teaspoon of granulated onion, and salt and pepper to taste. For today's tools, you will need 2 saucepans, a strainer, a rubber spatula, a spoon, and a wire whip. On a back burner of your stove, place your pot, place your heat on high, fill with water, and bring to a boil. On your front burner, place it on medium-low, place your pot on the stove, pour your cream and your milk into your pot. Now that your milk and cream are warm, you want to add a little bit of cheese to your pot, and you want to stir that until it starts to melt. Our cheese has melted, so we want to add cheese a little at a time. We want to stir it around, waiting for that cheese to melt before we add more cheese, and we want to continue this process until all the cheese is in the sauce and melted. Our water is at a rapid boil, so we want to add our pasta in, we want to stir it, and we want to return it to a boil and cook on a fast boil until the pasta is al dente, which is 5 to 8 minutes. All of our cheese is melted, so we want to stir in our garlic, our onion, and our pepper. Our pasta is done. We want to strain it in the sink using the strainer. Add your cheese sauce to your pasta, stirring it around. If desired, add more sauce. Your final seasoning check for pepper and salt.
Here's our ooey gooey macaroni and cheese.